from cinnamon, dude. Quit it.
This is my brother Josh. He's crazy. He says that this
cornstarch.
is a spoonful of cinnamon. Yeah, well,
She said you can literally.
I don't know. I haven't seen anybody do this yet, but I'm pretty sure it's fucked up. She's all reading the ingredients on this cinnamon jar. Let's see this. What are the ingredients on that anyway?
Okay.
It'd be
Here.
cinnamon.
Cinnamon?
No,
here.
it has cornstarch.
Alright.
Okay, here you go. That's it. We don't need to do a whole lot of prep for this. This is pretty straightforward here. There it is. Tone low.
Oh, this time I have a fro.
Yeah. You might not recognize him from the Boot Jalopy and Habanero series. Go ahead, get eaten, dog. The spoonful of death.
Is it hot, dude? Dude, is it hot? Not really.
How's it taste?
He has cinnamon powder coming out of his mouth. Just try not to fart. Oh, he just dropped some.
That's a mess, dude. You better eat that,
Ew! What a crazy butthead.
dog. Is that hot?
Is that really...
Is that hot?
Dude.
Is it hot?
I got mouth, man.
You look like you're chewing on a turd.
Yeah.
On a cinnamony turd.
Swallow it.
Is that hot?
Yeah, no saliva.
No saliva?
Is it hot?
It's gross.
You might as well just spit it out then, dude. Unless you want to poop an elephant ear. Maybe
Is
some
this stuff
cinnamon
good
toast.
for you or what? What'd you do?
It's fine. It's just cinnamon, dog. It's a
You
spice.
know, like, is this stuff good for you or
Are you
what?
gonna swallow this now?
Ew!
Sure, go ahead. Yeah.
I know that wasn't good for me.
We'll check your vitals here in a couple hours, all right?
Okay, I'm gonna get some water now.